Cryptocurrencies are gradually finding more use in many areas. These include, for example, digitization and Web 3.0, with the blockchain also playing an important role. Many applications rely on external data sources, which an indexer provides. The Graph is one of the leading providers, preparing the data for users and making it available. After 3 years of development, the Graph protocol launched on the Ethereum mainnet on the 17th of December 2020. Since its launch, the GRT token has gained significant popularity, seemingly jumping out of nowhere straight into the top 50 largest cryptocurrencies. The Graph network is a middle layer between various blockchains and decentralized applications. When creating decentralized applications, there needs to be a way to securely communicate data between the blockchain and the user-friendly front end, plus the web of smart contracts structuring the application. The Graph protocol makes it easier for developers to create dApps by organizing smart contract data on Ethereum. The protocol saves developers tremendous amounts of storage and hours, creating reliable and efficient data feeds from the blockchain. The Graph network has created the first decentralized indexes for developers of dApps on the Ethereum blockchain called subgraphs. The Graph allows developers to use these innovative decentralized indexing tools to access organized data on Ethereum. The protocol improves organizing smart contract data to make it easier for developers to focus on the front end and other core aspects of an application. Before the existence of the Graph protocol, developers would have to use proprietary indexes, which takes away from decentralization. Furthermore, it often would require substantial hardware and engineering sources. The Graph offers developers easy access to open-source API subgraphs, with massive crypto projects including Uniswap, Synthetics, and CoinGecko already using the Graph's hosting service. The Graph seeks to facilitate the seamless data exchange between blockchains and applications. The platform is among the first decentralized indexing and querying software available in the market. As such, it continues to see growing adoption. Impressively, the network has already hit well over 1 billion queries since its launch in 2020. The Graph offers developers an easy-to-use, cost-efficient, and secure API. This network allows decentralized applications to use smart contracts to add data to the Ethereum blockchain. Graph's APIs are in use by some of the most popular DeFi platforms in the market. Specifically, AAVE, Aragon, Balancer, DAO Stack, Uniswap, and Synthetics leverage this technology to improve data responsiveness. Before 2020, you need to be technically inclined to build a dApp that relies on accessing data from the Ethereum blockchain in an efficient way. Back then, developers had to develop their own strategy to gather data and transform it from different sources. Recognizing this technical barrier, Graph developed a powerful toolset to help drive innovation and simplify this once complicated process. Their primary concerns were to accomplish this task without degrading security. Ethereum is by far the most popular DeFi blockchain, with hundreds of platforms launching since 2020. The recent expansion of the decentralized finance sector has expanded Ethereum's market position yet again. As such, Graph is positioned perfectly to help fuel this development. The Graph has even been compared to Google for features like querying and indicating the data it holds the record of being the first of its kind. Indexing blockchain data from networks of repute like Ethereum and Filecoin, the Graph then groups them into open APIs called subgraphs that anyone can query using GraphQL. Utilizing the smart contract and adding data to the Ethereum blockchain, the Graph network promulgates decentralized applications and becomes a pioneer for such applications in the DeFi sector. With innumerable networks getting added to the list, the Graph currently supports indexing data from Ethereum and IPFS. To date, 1,700 subgraphs have been deployed for dApps like Aragon, Uniswap, Balancer, Gnosis, LivePeer, and Decentraland. The Graph's top competitors include Tatum, Alchemy, Streaming Fast, and QEdit. The actual facilitator or so-called facilitator behind this protocol is the native token GRT, which generates decentralized indices and API feeds for blockchain-based projects. The project lead and co-founder Yaniv Tal shed light on the platform starting soon. The project shall leave a predominant footprint in Web 3.0, emerging as a critical leader in offering more fluidity and scalability to various decentralized applications acting as a middle layer. The token plays a valuable role in the DeFi ecosystem, resulting in many new users having joined the ecosystem. At the beginning of last year, the company announced additional support to blockchains like Polkadot, Solana, and Celo. Later in September, it recruited thousands of indexers, delegators, and curators. In 2020, Edge and Node software was introduced to aid blockchain protocol development. After a few days post the announcement, the price climbed to 100% growth. The company actively rewards developers and ethical hackers for discovering any shortcoming and resolving it in its protocol in the past few months. It is available for trade on a wide range of cryptocurrency exchanges. There are a lot of mixed signals concerning the growth of GRT in 2022 and 2023. We have looked at what several price analysts have to say about the future of this coin in the next 2 years. As usual, the volatility aspect comes out very strongly, judging by how different the predictions are. Some experts believe that GRT might rebound in 2022-23 and hopefully trade above its all-time high at some point. Some believe that the coin might struggle during this period. According to Wallet Investor, the rally to $2 and $3 will be challenging, with the coin mostly bouncing between 10 cents and 90 cents for the rest of 2022. For some reason, Wallet Investor believes GRT will record more downtrends with very little growth. The coin might start dropping from the start of the year, where it will be trading at around 93 cents and close the year at 12 cents. This is a bit discouraging if you look to invest in the graph for the long term. Gov.Capital seems to align with the same downtrend trajectory as Wallet Investor. In fact, the numbers are even lower. The site predicts that GRT will reach 15 cents by mid-May 2022, where its predictions end. We can't tell why these two price analysts think GRT will drop in 2022. We can't also say that they are right or wrong. This is because some other price trackers are hopeful that this digital asset might rise in 2022. For example, Coin Price Forecast predicts that GRT might trade at around 55 cents in mid-2022, then at close to 60 cents. This is not exactly encouraging, keeping in mind that it is still more than $1 lower than the ATH. However, it is a good indication that the token might record positive growth in 2022. PricePrediction.net agrees with this, as it predicts that GRT will end 2022 at an average price of $1.51 or as high as $1.83. Our most optimistic prediction comes from Long Forecast, which happens to be the only site that believes GRT will cross $2 in 2022. Speaking for most long-term investors, we do hope this will not be the case when 2023 comes around. Wallet Investor is still very bearish about 2023 and predicts a drastic drop. According to the site, GRT will start off 2023 at around $0.114, then increase only slightly to $0.151 by the end of the year. The graph has a lot of potential to grow and become a key player in the ever-growing decentralized data industry. The project team has an excellent track record and is committed to making this idea come to life. For GRT tokens to have real value, the graph needs strong adoption from both developers and users of decentralized applications built on top of the platform. It's difficult to tell how GRT will perform in the short term, but long-term investments could increase your ROI by several folds. According to Tim Frost, the founder of Yield App, the graph's critical role in the DeFi ecosystem makes it a potentially valuable investment. However, being a relatively new token, it won't be easy to assess its actual value until adoption. GRT is also a long way down from its all-time high price of $2.88. Over the past few days, it has had trouble staying above 50 cents and doesn't seem to be in a hurry to get back to above $2 per coin. If you are going to invest in this coin, keep in mind that it is highly volatile and currently experiencing wild price swings. If you are looking to invest in a blockchain project with real-world use cases, then investing in the graph is definitely an option worth considering. There is currently no other cryptocurrency that offers the same services as GRT. If it succeeds in becoming the information channel for blockchain projects, then the future looks bright for the token. The graph provides a much-needed service to an industry on the verge of another breakout year. The network continues to help fuel further innovation and development of the decentralized sector. As the industry blossoms, you can expect to see even more DeFi platforms leverage this secure and efficient method for acquiring Ethereum blockchain data. For now, Graph is set to continue its role as a cornerstone technology in the market. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on GRT? Let us know in the comments section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.